Welcome to Trading Demand. It's Braden, and today I have some very simple analysis for you guys and just some stuff that I was looking at today and yesterday real fast, just to give you guys an idea of how I'm trading and how everything's going. So before we start, I want to let you guys know my free trading community is always open. We have some people that are more active. We have some live chat, future chat. I post all my commentary, all my trades, and you guys can leave comments or anything you guys want. We have a bunch of useful information, and if you guys want, just check that out. It'll be in the bio, and we can jump right into the video. So the first thing I want to talk to you guys about is what I was seeing from today. When we were coming in today, I saw that we had point of control moving higher with value, point of control moving higher with value, and then today we had the value up here higher that I was expecting us to probably rally to and get this point of control, because at the time it's a virgin point of control. There's no prices came here and touched it. So I was kind of expecting us to hold lows, hold demand, or form new demand, and we formed demand, and then we formed more demand off that demand. So very nice. Then we had a rally, and my thesis of coming up hitting this point of control is correct. And today I've actually made some pretty good trades. But I'll show you guys. You guys see my first trade over here. We'll just go over here. Alright, zoom out. Alright. So I actually wasn't too active. I mean, I was, but wasn't. So our first trade, let's take this to a 5-minute just to make it look good. Let's do a 1-minute, show you guys structure better. But yeah, hope you guys have been having a great day. I've been doing pretty good in my trading. So our first trade, I realized we were opening up and we had Jerome Powell. He was speaking, so I was expecting a rally right into supply. I mean, right into a low volume node. As you can see, we had that. And you can see on here on the composite, low volume area, low volume, low volume. Just keep those in mind while we go over this. And I waited for the first touch. Wasn't too good for me because I just wasn't too interested. This was a great play. I just didn't play it because at first it was a low volume node that wasn't supply or anything. But after we came and tested it again and I started seeing these wicks, I went short. Didn't get scared like I usually do, so I'm proud of that. Got 3, 6, and I'm pretty sure this trade happened when I walked away. I've been having a real big problem with actually letting my trades play through and not canceling them earlier. So walking away helps out a lot. But you can see we start rallying, and here I see we have a bunch of delta, good delta, and this little selling delta barely did anything to us. So when we came back into the zone, I saw some liquidity pop up right here also. I went long, you can see right here. No, yeah, I went long, and then I canceled for 1 point because I was kind of getting fearful because I saw this heavy selling. But after I saw that selling couldn't get us lower, I went long one more time and got a good 3 points right into low volume node. I only traded one on that one because it was more spectacle. It was more, I was guessing it would happen, and I thought it had a good idea. Pretty close profit. And then after that, this trade, I'm very upset with it. Not happy with it at all because there's no reason for me. I was having problems getting my trading on my chart set up, and when I was doing that, I panicked. I sold one, and I saw us kind of push higher. No reason to no reason to cancel this. No reason at all. No, not even close to my stop. It was just dumb. But yeah, very good trade. This would have been very nice. 3-6 easy. 9 points here. That's why I focus on getting 9 points, but mostly 3 points. And my second target, my runner, can do it. Yeah. And then after that, we haven't really had much. I enter short right here. I lose 1.25 points because what was I doing here? I went long, closed it early for no reason because I was fearful. You can see how we have a wick here. I got fearful, closed it, and then I went long one more time, got my 2.7, and I got 6, almost 9 points there again. And here, these trades that are going like this, where I close it way too early and then I get back in again, they're good, but also they're not good because I'm hurting myself more than I'm actually helping myself. And around this time, 9:30, I walked away because I was up 15 points and I didn't really want to risk anything. That's $75 in small in the mini, in the micros, and in the mini it's 750. So that's a pretty good day if you ask me. More than I'm making my day job at the moment. But yeah, I could easily went short here. Where's it at? I could have went short here, risk here, and then my target point of control. That would have been good for good 61 ticks. Yeah, so that wouldn't have been too bad, honestly. Good little trade, but I just wasn't at my computer at the time. Let me delete this also. But yeah, very good trade. You can see how these low volume nodes are so useful. They're so helpful. You see up here, low volume composite. And then usually when we have high volume like this, I want low volume on both sides because price is easier to be skewed when it's like that. And besides that, I haven't really taken any more trades. But the action today has been pretty decent. Even though I haven't really been around. Let me let me get back to where we need to be. Besides me not being around, action's been very decent, sorry. Low volume nodes are holding up like they should, always. And we're back in supply at the moment. I'm not seeing any trades to take live unless we can move out of value area and then come back for the volume profile rotation. That's when we break out right here, kind of, and we come back to point of control or value area low. I don't believe in that. So value area high to point of control possibly. But yeah, that's basically everything. I just want to jump in, tell you guys how I'm doing, how I'm trading, what I'm trading. And I hope that the videos aren't too fast, and I hope I'm getting good little information to you guys. We can go back here. Let me make this back for 1 minute. We can go back here, and I can show you guys some of the delta I was seeing. Where are we at? Okay, back here. Do 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 do. But yeah, very good system I have here. I hope you guys actually can see the good in it, how it can be very useful. But here we are. So my first trade, I didn't really use I mean I did, but I was really focusing on the wicks at the time. Because the candle wicks can really give you a lot of information, how they're just wicky. They're spider legs. No one really there's price not being accepted, is being rejected. So very easy to say. You could have went short here and then went short here, but I like to have more confirmation when there's no supply around. And yeah, we can see the delta starts off buying, but not much. Price isn't really going higher. You see we have the high here. Let me make a line. We have a high here, and price never actually got above that. But on here it's about even. Here we go. On here it says price has got higher, which wasn't really true, and buyers weren't able to keep pushing higher. So eventually we had some sellers. We hit 92 at the minimum delta, and then you can see it slow. It just keeps going lower and lower until we have some big sellers pop in right here. And buyers were just trapped. They were just up here trapped. Nothing they could do. Up here, same scenario kind of. I didn't really use delta. I used more price action. You could have went short here also. There's so many opportunities in this market. It's hard to always choose the right ones. But yeah, I can make any more videos explaining whatever you guys want. This is just a fast video to let you guys know what's going on. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye bye.